Here it is, guys. We've been working over here for about a week. Unfortunately, I had to fire my contractor, so I started to do the work myself. So this is the first unit here. It's coming along pretty nicely. Got the new windows coming in. I decided to replace all the windows with new vinyl. Got the floor ripped up. New ceiling fan, new paint. I'm going to be going with that LVP flooring. It's waterproof. It should last a long time. I got a few repairs to make. The furnace works. I just had the electric turned on today. I just got done replacing the sink. Gonna be putting a nice brick and backsplash up here. And then over here. So right now it looks like we are still going to be in budget. I'm going to be about roughly about $9,000-$10,000 into it, and this side's actually going to be bringing in $695 a month. Like I said, I'm going to be doing new windows. Did some repairs on the back. Got this ceiling fan. I like to go to the auctions. So basically this ceiling fan is a $100 ceiling fan. I got it for 28 bucks. I always pick up ceiling fans and everything I can at auction. Like this paint, I got a 5-gallon bucket for 30 bucks. Putting some nice trim up here. Gonna go right there, or up along the side there. I don't know if I want to keep the countertops like that. I don't really like how that turned out. So right now I'm going to be doing plumbing down here in the basement. I got the other side done. I'm going in with all new PEX plumbing, because someone came down here and gutted all the copper out. Don't forget, guys, I only paid $6,000 for this duplex. I should be at the closing costs. I was about almost around $10,000 because I had to pay double closing costs because of having 2 deeds. So we're gonna go over, take a look at the other side, show you guys where I'm at with that. It took us 3 dumpsters to do this. Let me show you guys upstairs first here. We haven't started painting yet. My contractor, was doing a crappy job. Like, he wasn't patching holes before painting. And he picked the absolutely wrong color. It's too dark. So I am going with that light color that you saw downstairs. Got the bathroom partially gutted. I'm keeping this old Crawford bathtub and putting one of those wraparound shower kits with the new shower curtain specifically for this. Probably going to refinish this. All these windows up here too. Again, replace all these hideous, ugly, non-energy efficient ones. Got my guy coming today to patch the roof. The roof, I guess it's just a flashing and a pep boot, because the roof is only about 3 years old, as you can see, both sides here. So this is coming along pretty nice. Got it all cleaned out. About $1,200 worth of dumpster fees. Go back downstairs here. I'll show you guys what I got going on the other side. That other side is going to be bringing in $825 a month. So got it all cleaned out, carpet out, couches out. This side's gonna mock the other side. The only reason why we're gonna be charging more money is because there's an oil furnace downstairs. I hate to get rid of it just because of it's a good furnace, you know, all these oil furnaces that last forever. And I'm gonna basically fill the tank and include the it in the rent. So, going with all new PEX plumbing. I love this stuff. It doesn't really freeze. Got a new hot water tank. I always like to do neuromechanicals just because, I mean, like stuff like this though. This is the big furnace. It runs, it operates, so we're gonna stay with it. It's got an oil tank in the back here. So you guys can see, pretty solid. It fills up from the outside. This is my project I did. Monday I did this. Got all new PEX plumbing. Can't really see much back here, but almost done. Got the washer and dryer hookups, the bathroom hookups, kitchen sink. Coming along real smoothly. I'm going to be doing plumbing on the other side today. Get that all done. PEX plumbing, guys, $28 for 100 feet of that stuff. It's probably only costing me about $300 to do all the plumbing. That's not counting the $300 hot water tank. But this side's going to be the last side I do. I'm going to focus on that other side, get it done. Don't mind, it's a little dark up here. I have to replace a couple lights. Got all this ugly carpet ripped out. Bought a new bathtub surround, brand new shower guts, refinishing the bathtub. So, new vanity, new toilet. We're probably going to keep this floor. There's nothing wrong with this floor. We're going to clean it up, new baseboard. Like I say, we're going with that LET floor. I love that stuff. It'll last for years. The hardest, roughest tenants. It's waterproof. This is it, guys. Watch my other video. I'm going to be talking about a deal that I just did. We wholesale houses. We made $3,000 off of this one. We got it under contract. We flipped the contract. Made $3 grand. We're turning around. We got another one at 4 o'clock here we're going to go look at. And it's going to be basically the same profit margin. Already got a buyer for it. And we should make about $3,000 off of it. So, when people tell you the real estate market is down, now is an opportunity. Go out there, make deals happen. And now is the time to get your deals, guys. Thanks for watching another video from Henry Holdings. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and share. Thank you.